We are almost there, the world is waiting. Anticipation, who will be